Welcome back to a quick intraday update. Right now, I have this chart of Bank Nifty, and this is an hourly chart of the index. And yesterday, we gave it a thought that probably this being wave A and wave B, then I could find some kind of impulsiveness in the next wave C. And there's this trend line which I drew from the bottoms of wave 2 and connected it to the tops of wave 4. So this trend line guards the overall impulsiveness of wave C, and whenever you find a break below this trend line, you would find that that the overall impulsiveness or the overall general trend in wave C is about to end, and a move on the downside might start shortly. So we have closed below the trend line, and also we are trying to close below the yesterday's low. So the yesterday's low was around 41,196.80. We are trying to go over there. Let me take you to the 30-minute chart of the index. So the 30-minute chart looks a bit more clearer, and looking at the action, I might have to label this as a wave, probably A, because as of now we don't know if it's going to be A or 1. Let's label this as 1 or A. And we have broken below the lows of yesterday, so that means this is wave 1 or wave A, and the correction that we got, the irregular kind of correction, might be wave 2 or wave B, and from here on the next leg which starts on the downside might be wave 3 or wave C. So that typically might extend towards 1 or 1.618 times the wave 1. So let me give you a number. So the 1.618 projection comes around 40,739. So that is 1.618, and the one projection comes around 41,000. So if we do the one projection, that usually means that this is an ABC, and then we are again going to do that boring old-fashioned counter trend moves, meaning we get an ABC, then X, then again ABC, then X. Or if we don't do that and we get an impulsive move like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then possibly we have better trading opportunities here on in the coming future. So that was my take on Bank Nifty. Let me show you the chart of a Nifty. It took me some time to readjust the accounts. Yesterday, according to the chart, I showed you the counts were somewhat like 1, being here 1, 2, 3, the sideways move as 4, and this as 5, and this whole thesis was based upon one single idea, that the high of 1st November shouldn't be breached. Well, we breached above the high of 1st November, so that makes me think that the counts wholly needs to be reconsidered. So that makes me believe that the 4th, instead of ending over here, might just have ended over here, the 2 over here, and then the wave 3rd got itself extended in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we might have ended a 5th wave over here. Okay, so that is my outlook over here. And so 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, wave 5 done is probably what I think right now. And to confirm this, we have the 30-minute indicator as well as the hourly indicator turning on to the sell side. And if I show you the 50 EMA, the 50 EMA is around 17,849. So that would be around I think 200 points higher from here, but from a swing perspective, it is not very low. And yeah, the 20 EMA is around 18,027. So that's roughly 70, 30, 40 points higher from here. We close above that, then we get a textbook confirmation that probably the short-term uptrend that we saw from 13th of October to today, 2nd of November, might be probably might be on the verge of ending. And that is how I look at the charts right now. To confirm this, I also published an article yesterday on our website tradewithsarthak.com. You just need to create an account, and if you'd go to the latest section, then you would possibly find many of the articles, stocks, positioning data as well. So if I go on to the FI positions, just to confirm this thesis, then I'll open this chart in the next tab. So this data just says that the yellow line is the Nifty line and the blue line is the FII's contracts. And whenever we see a very high rapid movement or a euphoric move in the markets, which is confirmed by an high FII reading, we tend to believe that the FIIs are overly positioned onto the buying side, and therefore it is a very good time for the markets to turn around. And therefore an high FI reading along with a bullish market is usually considered as a sign of top. But you also need an FI reading that is historically high. So if I check that over here, then the FI reading as of yesterday was around 48,191 to be specific. Let's just say let's round it off to 48,000. So FIs were long yesterday, 48,000 contracts, and if market gives us some confirmation of impulsive move, then we might go very well ahead to take some short-term bets on the market. You can find all the articles on the website tradewithsarthak.com. That was it for the video. Thank you.